Just here at a sports complex, waiting for a red-bellied black snake to come out from under the slope. You can see his little nose right in the centre there. Come on, buddy. Anytime now. Just an update. Starting to cramp in both legs, which is not good. And I've got this big-ass crow that keeps flying over. And if he ends up scaring the snake, I'm going to be so mad. But the snake is coming out a little bit more, but not much. There he is there. Come on. Oh no. Go away, crow. Do not walk towards the snake. Go, yes, you back up. No, no, no. What are you doing? Oh my god, he's coming out slightly more. Crow, seriously. No, don't do it. No. Dude, he's just come out. Yes, eat your worm and bugger off. Yes. Come on, come on, come on. That's it. Keep coming out, keep coming out. Further. Further. You stay right there. The heart rate's going up. Where's he going? Pushing through the grass. What are you thinking about doing? I just don't know if there's any other holes along there, so I don't want to jump the gun here. That's it, keep going. Now I'm going to have to go here. Oh, gotcha! Yes! How good? Oh, how good is that? Alright. Man, hey, get down, get down. Yes! How good is that? Oh, that is so good. Hectic day already. We've just got two eastern brown snake calls at the same time. We've got Donnie heading into one, he's on his way, and we're heading to Nambour where there's actually two eastern brown snakes mating, and we're going to get there as soon as we can so we can try and catch them both.
They just tried to go up that drain there.
Are they going up the drain?
Yeah, sand over.
Yeah, yeah. I'll have to go straight away. Liv, you got those bags ready?
Yeah, mate.
They're only small. All good?
Yep.
Bear with me, Liv, I'm coming out. Coming out.
Did you want two bags or one?
No, just the one.
Yep.
Just keep it low because I'm going to have to get you. I'm going to go with this little one first.
Yep.
Just go wide. Just go wide.
Oh, get down. And what I'll do, can you just keep an eye on that brown doesn't come out?
Yep.
Can you pass me?
The second bag?
Yeah, go second bag actually. See how defensive he is, look at that.
Oh, he's not happy.
Oh, right, you're going in the bag, son.
If you just disturbed him from a nice little mating session, I'd be pissed off too.
Oh,
That was nuts. Are you alright?
mate. Okay, let's just get where's my hook? I just keep that bag up, Liv, and keep an eye on him. Shake it if he comes up,
Okay.
because I've seen him shoot out the bag. Let me just quickly bag this one first. Sorry, Liv, just keep an eye on Liv.
think I've got the girl. That was hectic.
Another day in the life of a snake catcher.
How are you?
So it was by your garden shed, hey? You were going to grab the keys?
I'll show you exactly where it was.
Yep.
I'll point in with this stick of mine.
No worries.
See in there,
Yep.
with the sun
Oh yeah, I
shining
can
in.
see him. See
Oh,
the
yeah.
scales?
Yeah,
Yep,
I can see the
still there.
scales. Gee, she's got a big head on him, eh?
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Now we go up.
Yeah.
Let me know what you need me to do if you hooked
Can
around
you
in
come
there.
in here, Nick? Yeah, I can't see his head. Go around your way. You're going up past the shed there. Quick. Can you go in halfway body through there? I don't know what he's onto. You got him?
Yep.
Oh, he's a stonker. Look at him.
Got him?
Yeah. I did not want a bite from you, mate.
See
Yeah,
how
I can
blue
see
that?
that bluey looking colour.
Yeah. So
they
that's
can't
when
see
they-
really well if
Yeah.
they're opaque.
So
So you might-
opaque is when they're about to shed their skin.
Get him in the back.
And yeah, it can be quite a dangerous time to handle snakes because they don't know what's going on. So if they bump into something, they might just bite it. Because he's got absolutely no idea what's going on right now. He wouldn't be able to see a thing.
Mate, help me out a little bit here.
We'll put his head in, go on.
There we go. She just hold the bag. There you go, big fella. Off he goes. He knows where he wants to go then. Absolute awesome looking snake, eh?
It's amazing that he's climbing when he's so opaque right now.
Yeah. Oh, that's sick, eh?
So cool how they climb like that. Yeah, snakes are way more inclined like to hiss or sort of mock strike and stuff like that.
Is he hanging on to anything or?
His head's facing down here.
Okay.
Yeah, he's wrapped around the front too.
His head's down here?
Yep. Yeah, right there.
You only got striked in the head, man.
Alright.
No biting now. And see, if you start to give him somewhere to go, like if he starts hooking onto that, he starts to let go with his tail.
Yeah.
There we go. Whew. Holding his shed.
It's in good condition,
You got me now.
isn't it?
I wasn't the one that got you out.
Oh, he went to. It doesn't, like, I mean, the number that we find,
Yeah.
it's way more than just one. Yeah, one.
Hello. Long. Hold on a
Looks
second.
like he's in good condition.
Oh, God.
He's hooked on.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the colours on him. He's real brown, isn't he?
Alright, mate. We're gonna get you in the bag. We'll get you out of here. We don't want to bite on the way through.
Oh, he's bit the bag.
Did he?
Yeah.
Alright.
Go in the log.
Mate, this is your new home, and it looks bloody epic. We're jealous. We'd rather be out here in the bush camping as well. So, go on and enjoy it.
Straight off the log. What are you doing, mate?
Okay, good.
Okay, we've just arrived at a home at the back of Bly Bly, and you can see this massive python just hanging out by the pool. The sun is starting to come out. It's been a bit of a miserable wet morning. But yeah, this fellow would be about 2.5 metres long. He's pretty chunky. But I'm going to grab him before he darts over the back there. I might even walk him back around here. Hopefully he's well behaved. Should be pretty cold. Oh, a couple of hisses. I think he's going to be a gentle giant.
He's big. He's a big boy.
Why didn't you do that, Shane?
Why didn't I do that? Yeah. Fear. Fear's a big thing, darling.
There we go.
Eh? He's a big boy.
Try and stretch him out just so we can see exactly how big he is. I'm about 6'3" or 4 with shoes on.
Yep.
He'd be, yeah, wow, 8 or 9 foot.
8 or 9 foot. Yep.
Stretched all the way out.
I've got 2 little dogs. I'd hate to think what he'd do to them.
Yeah, at this size, I guess it's, you know, he'd still prefer to eat rodents and
Yep.
possums and,
Yep.
and that sort of thing.
Yeah.
But, you know, if the dog's only 4 or 5 kilos,
That's what they are.
As a large possum.
Yep.
There he is.
Yep. Beautiful.
Excellent.
Well done.
Thanks, mate.
And I'll be even happier when he moves on. Even if he is a carpet smoker or python.
Yeah.
Thank you.
No worries. Here's our gentle giant from Bly Bly that was hanging out by the pool. Try and get a nice good view of him here. Stay nice and behave like you were before, buddy. It's pretty big. Bring your head out. Come on. There you are. Whew. The size of your noggin. Hey. No biting. Oh, you gave me that look just then. He's a gentle giant. Perfect spot to release him here. A bit wet today. Nice healthy snake. But yeah, the family want him relocated. They've got some tiny dogs. I think the dogs only weigh 4 or 5 kilos. It's unlikely that he'd go after them, but in saying that, possums can get to 4 or 5 kilos sometimes, and this guy would easily swallow a possum. So, for the safety of the snake and the dogs and keep everybody happy, we'll relocate him elsewhere. And here comes the rain.